Hey guys, and welcome back to a new summer clean with me. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and are enjoying all the summer sun. Today I have for you some gardening, a ton of cleaning motivation, a trip to the garden centre and my weekly visit to the farmers market. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and let's get right into it. I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I picked up from Amazon that are restocks, and also something from Etsy. So the first thing is from Etsy, and it's this sweet little fish hook. I thought I could put it in the kitchen to hang aprons and possibly tea towels, but I might just keep this to aprons and make a feature of it. And then the Amazon restock things I have are the matcha. I have used this for years. Well, I've used matcha for years, and I used to love the pure chimp one, but I can't seem to find that anywhere. So I switched to this one. I believe when I first bought matcha, I picked up this one, but it's a really great one, and I just love having a matcha most days. And then the other restock was some pink Himalayan salt. I haven't restocked this in, I want to say, over a year. I just buy a huge 1 kg bag, and we use it on our food, and I also use it in the bath. So it's great just to have on hand. But I thought this one was good because it has the little nozzle, so it's easy to pour into the salt pot and things like that. And then one thing that I wanted to try, I have been looking at, I'll show you, we do have like a new sink caddy for dishcloths. I was getting sick of them dripping everywhere, so I thought if they had their own designated home, then they could just drip into the sink and nowhere else. But I wanted to try out these plant-based kitchen sponges. They have a loafer scourer, and these ones have quite good reviews. They're from this brand called Jungle Culture, and you get 4 in here. I still love my Minky M cloth. I thought the sponge side would be good if I just need to wipe anything up quickly, and also for washing up because they've got the loafer side. We do have a couple of brushes as well that I find useful when just like spot washing up, when there are things that can't be put in the dishwasher. So let me show you the little caddy. So here is the caddy. It just suctions onto the side of the sink, and there's also a function to stick it on, but I think because it's getting wet, the suction pads are better. So I've been putting my Minky here. I just washed it, but I thought this would look good in here, and maybe another kind of cloth. So this is from Amazon as well. It did come in a silver. I'll have them all linked down below if you're interested.